In this episode, you will see how modern LED luminaires are manufactured. For decades now, electrical lighting has been shaping our habits, shortening our sleep. Today, it plays a crucial role in control over our circadian rhythm, and lighting manufacturers create increasingly better solutions. Correctly selected lighting can improve our efficiency, mood, and well-being. Manufacturers focus on quality and fine-tuning of light parameters, revolutionizing the lighting sector and contributing to consumers' health. In this episode, we will discover secrets of modern manufacturing of lighting systems. We will see how Philips LED power balance luminaires are manufactured, a solution replacing traditional lighting systems. Thus, we are going to Piła. It is here where Piła Light Bulb Factory, Lumen, was founded in 1958. Equipped with modern Philips machines, it manufactured 1 million light bulbs in fluorescent tubes a day, breaking records. In 2014, Philips Lighting launched a series of LED light bulbs called Piła. Today, the company, operating under the Signify brand, is a global leader in lighting systems, offering innovative products and systems that change our houses and public spaces. Before a given luminaire model reaches the production line, it is first developed by designers. Each standard luminaire model can be customized to meet individual needs, starting with unique colors, through precise control over the luminous flux, up to the use of special installation systems. These modifications are introduced by experts who transform visions into reality in the process of customization. All new luminaires undergo specialist tests. For example, the total luminous flux is tested using a sphere photometer. The luminaire is also placed in a Faraday cage, which acts as a shield blocking electromagnetic interferences. Only after it successfully passes this series of tests, the luminaire can be launched into production. Let's take a look at the anatomy of a modern luminaire. It combines 4 crucial components: a housing, a LED plate, a power supply unit with a control system, and supply cables. The manufacturing process begins with preparing of individual components. How are light sources produced? In a precisely controlled process. LEDs are automatically soldered onto printed circuit boards. At the end, each board undergoes efficiency tests. We will see a similar process in the department manufacturing power supply units for various types of luminaires. However, instead of LEDs, it is capacitors, resistors, and coils that are soldered onto the printed circuit board here. What is interesting, components are soldered on both sides using 2 different technologies. This way, the entire surface of the printed circuit board can be used. Then the board is enclosed in a housing, and finally, a robot performs tests verifying the correct performance of the power supply unit. Now we are entering the zone where luminaire housings are manufactured. A laser precisely cuts out a shape of the frame and the backing of the housing out of flat metal sheets. Certain parts, which cannot be cut out by a laser, are machine cut. Then we can see how flat components assume their 3-dimensional forms on press brakes. The next stage takes place in a powder coating booth. The components are washed and degreased and transferred to a special booth. Here, robots apply a paint coating 80 to 120 microns thick. The coating is cured in an oven, giving the housing not only its color, but also a protection against impacts and scratching. Finally, All components get together at the assembling department. Here, the luminaire is given its final form. The power supply unit is installed, and lighting controlling software is uploaded into it. Each luminaire is tested for safety and performance. A label is printed, and it is ready. Now the product can be packed. Let's take another look inside the hall where Philips Hue Play Home lighting solutions are manufactured. Each lamp hides a palette of 16 million colors that harmonize with the action on the home TV screen. Fixtures and light sources from Sawtooth have become part of prestigious projects around the world. Signify's systems highlight the massing of many modern skyscrapers. At the Formula One tracks in Singapore and Las Vegas, they provide perfect visibility. Today, Signify continues the heritage of the Lumen factory, inspiring people to create sustainable solutions, improving the quality of life.